Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. If your kid's not eating pumpkin, do this kind of recipes. Pumpkin 200 grams, bake for 5 minutes on 170 degrees. Baked pumpkin, maple syrup 2 tablespoons. If you don't have maple syrup, add honey as well. Blend nicely. Smooth silky texture is ready. Espresso. Keep aside. Milk 200 ml. Cinnamon powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Pumpkin paste. Ice cubes. Espresso. Now add cinnamon and ginger milk. Now enjoy pumpkin spice latte. Thanks for watching. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.